Number 1, triangle MNP and triangle JKL are similar right triangles. Which proportion could be used to show that the slope of JL is equal to the slope of LP? A, 0 minus -7 over 4 minus -4 equals -4 minus -10 over 8 minus -1. B, 0 minus 4 over -4 minus -7 equals -4 minus 8 over -1 minus -10. C, 0 minus -4 over 4 minus -7 equals -4 minus -1 over 8 minus -10. D, -4 minus -7 over 0 minus 4 equals -1 minus -10 over -4 minus 8. Number 2, Sarah fixed computers at her customer's home. She created a table to represent the data. If Sarah were to graph her data, which of the following would be true? F, the y-intercept would be 100. G, the y-intercept would be 25. H, the slope would be 50. J, the slope would be 25. Number 3, which table below represents the relationship where y is 3 more than the product of x and -5? Number 4, triangles CDE and EFG are similar right triangles. Which proportion can be used to show that the slope of CE is equal to the slope of EG? F, -9 minus -9 over -3 minus -5 equals -3 minus -5 over 6 minus 1. G, -5 minus -9 over -3 minus -9 equals -3 minus -9 over 6 minus 1. H, -3 minus -9 equals 6 minus -3. H, -3 minus -9 over -5 minus -9 equals 6 minus -3 over 1 minus -5. J, -9 minus -5 over -9 minus -3 equals 1 minus -5 over 6 minus -3. Number 5, which is the graph of equation y equals -2x plus 2? Number 6, Ada will buy the same number of stamps every month to add to a stamp collection her grandfather gave her. The table shows the number of stamps Ada will have at the end of X months. How many stamps was Ada given, and how many stamps will she buy every month? F, Ada was given 200 stamps, and she will buy 50 stamps every month. G, Ada was given 180 stamps, and she will buy 70 stamps every month. H, Ada was given 180 stamps, and she will buy 50 stamps every month. J, Ada was given 200 stamps, and she will buy 70 stamps every month. Number 7, Kelly sells candles for $3.25, each with a shipping and handling cost of $4.50. Which equation best represents the total cost y of buying X candles from Kelly? A, y equals 3.25x plus 4.50. B, y equals 3.25x plus 4.50x. C, y equals 4.50x plus 3.25. D, y equals 3.25x minus 4.50. Number 8, what is the solution to this equation? 2x plus 3 equals x minus 4. Record your answer and fill in the bubble on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 9, which equation best represents the data in the table below? A, y equals 0.15x plus 200. B, y equals 0.15x plus 200x. C, y equals 0.15x minus 200. D, y equals 0.15 plus 200x. Number 10, a rectangle's perimeter and its area have the same numerical value. The width of the rectangle is 3 units. What is the length of the rectangle in units? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 11. The graph models the value of a machine over a 10-year period. Which equation best represents the relationship between x, the age of the machine in years, and y, the value of the machine in thousands of dollars over this 10-year period? A, y equals negative 0.002x plus 2,500. B, y equals negative 500x plus 8,000. C, y equals 500x plus 8,000. D, y equals 0.002x plus 2,500. Number 12. Jordan wanted to put more money into her savings account, so she started a new job. The graph below shows how much Jordan has in her savings account over a period of time. How much did she deposit monthly? F, $20, G, $30, H, $50, J, $60. Number 13. The graph of a line is shown on the grid below. Which equation best represents the graph of the line? A, y equals negative 2x minus 4. B, y equals 2x minus 4. C, y equals 2x plus 4. D, y equals negative 2x plus 4. Number 14. The cost of shipping a box is based on its weight. The table below shows this relationship. Which equation best represents this relationship? F, y equals 4.5x plus 2.25x. G, y equals 3x. H, y equals 2.25x plus 4.5. J, y equals 3x plus 4.5. Number 15. What is the slope and y-intercept for the equation graphed below? A, slope equals 3/2, y-intercept equals negative 4, 0. B, slope equals 2/3, y-intercept equals 0, negative 4. C, slope equals 3/2, y-intercept equals 0, 6. D, slope equals 2/3, y-intercept equals 6, 0.